Okay, replacing the headlight bulb on a MAZDA MX5. First remove the rubber boot, then it reveals the clip, which, trying to do this and show you, you push down and out, so it's down and then out, then slide that back, then the bulb comes out on the cable itself like that. So that's now back in. The last job is to put this rubber boot back over, like so. This one had actually blown, as you can probably see there. I've replaced them in pairs, and I've gone with the upgraded bulb from Bosch. Now there is a little pin just there that has to line up with the headlight in a certain position, which is like that. Otherwise the bulb won't fit in the holder properly. Also, don't touch the glass on the new ones, as it can leave fingerprints and black spots. And let's say that's it. I know it's a simple job that most people know how to do, but you'll be surprised the amount of people that pay Halfords the price of a bulb to fit.